Hi guys. Also, a little fuck up happened.
इतनी खुशी देते हैं ना ग्लॉसेस।
पढ़ाकू टर्न करके चले जाओ आप। On Father's Day, me, my mom and dad and my friends went out for lunch to Elante. We went to Swagat because I really wanted my mom and dad to try Cheti Naan. It's a South Indian dish and it's super delicious and you guys must try it. पता नहीं कहाँ से घुमा के लेके आया हमारा कैब ड्राइवर हमें। पापा, मम्मा। We're on Father's Day and the mall is खचा-खच भरा हुआ. So many people. I don't know how we're going to take pictures. बहुत cool लग रही हूँ. पढ़ाकू. ऐसे करना थोड़ा. Damn. We also had coffee afterwards and later on it was just me and my friends roaming around the mall, shopping for some makeup and here's how it went. I like this one. आपको कौन सा सबसे सही लगा? This is कौन सा?
बबल गम। ये बबल गम वाला है। And this is a grape soda. This one.
I like grape soda.
This one. अरे बहुत अच्छी
You're
है
getting
ये।
your makeup done? Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. ये color I really liked this one. It's Huda Beauty Faux Filler in the shade Foxy. So I'm actually going to buy a lot of makeup on my birthday, I think. So we must try करना है.
Would you like to do an outfit check?
Fit check. Normal black tank top, blue jeans, Nike Air Force, Savannah tag. This one I like, and this crop jacket.
Pretty boo.
Thank you. क्या लिया आपने? Lip gloss, lip gloss. Lip gloss. Too Faced.
Too Faced. इतनी खुशी देते हैं ना ग्लॉसेस। इतनी खुशी। इतनी खुशी। ग्लॉस की कीमत तुम क्या जानो रमेश?
ये बबल गम है ना? Kissing jelly gloss. Nice bro.
You have no idea how happy I am to get this.
Yay!
करना फ्रंट कैमरा को ना।
Just took a shower and got ready. We are going for some shopping. I need to buy some cute little tank tops or some basic tops that I can wear. And if I find anything nicer for my birthday, then makeup looks good. I'll see you in a bit. हेलो, हम जा रहे हैं शॉपिंग करने। अभी हमने खाया पास्ता एंड बर्गर एंड कोल्ड कॉफी जो बहुत ज़्यादा कड़वी थी, बहुत कड़वी थी।
सारा डब्बा डाल दिया कॉफी।
या देखते हैं अब पेट में उथल पुथल होती है। टर्न करके चले जाओ आप।
Pretty woman.
वैसे अच्छी लगेगी वाली पता है किसके साथ डाल रही
बहुत लंबी लाइन में लगाए, बहुत लंबी, बहुत लंबी।
और उसके साथ वो
इतनी लंबी कि ये इतनी लंबी कि ये टी शर्ट ट्राई करके आ सकते
तो पतली सी है मेरी तो शर्ट है ना कॉलर ऊपर उठ रहा है ऊपर नहीं डाल सकता आपका कलर भी बात
हाँ तो गई,
भाई
ले लो। हाँ
पड़ गई थी
फटी 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 लो, फटी फटी।
मैं तो सोच रहा हूँ ये कितने गर्म होंगे ये अभी तक अंदर से गर्म पड़ा है ना भाई ये गर्म पड़ा है अंदर से 1.5-2 घंटे हो गए हैं
Keeps getting
भाई साहब,
आप दोनों जो टेस्ट लेके खा रहे हो,
बहुत गंदे हैं भाई।
क्यों खा रहे हो?
उनको वापस करो
तो दिखने में तो कहीं से नहीं लग रहे ये व्रत वाले पकौड़े,
खा के देखो
मुझे नहीं माने। Eat skin fit things or just much better. मेरा सारा फ्लो टूट गया। I think we all really मेरे प्यारे मित्रजन भी बाहर शूट कर रहे हैं तो they are also trying to hype themselves up by putting on blasting music. So I will try to I'll just try to get back into it one more time. Hello, hi guys. So we went shopping yesterday and I'm gonna show you. I didn't buy a lot of things, just like 4-5 things. So I'll show you. Most of them are like basics and some of them are even more basic. And I just got one top that's like I feel like I might wear on my birthday. I do not have anything to pair it with yet, but I feel like I might be able to cook up something. I'll also put the try on the side. Let's begin. So the first thing that I got is this white top, basic white tank top. I feel like I needed it. Can you believe I don't have, actually I do have a white tank top, but that one is very the shape of it is very weird. It comes up till like it's not high neck, but it's a higher than usual neck. For my particular body type, I like things that are a little bit deeper because I mean I feel like it looks better on me. And then this also has a bigger armhole, so it gives that nice shape. I got a similar one in pink color, but I left it at home, so I can't really show you that, but I will probably wear it very soon, so I'll show you in some vlog. And I'll put the try on the side. So this was I think like 300-400 something, very affordable, and it's actually very good quality. It's like thick material. You will probably have to wear something underneath because it's white, so you know generally I don't think anybody should risk it unless it's like very very thick fabric and you have stood in bright light to see if nothing's see-through, but you will have to wear something underneath, a little nipple pasties or something like that. Boob tape will work, I think, but I am yet to try it out. So the next thing I got is this pajama from Tommy Hilfiger. This one is very like the material of it is very soft and very patla. I only got it to wear it around the house, and also because it's like monsoon, humid weather is almost here, so you need things that do not stick to your body. So this one I feel like is going to be very apt for that. Also I feel like I see it on Instagram and Pinterest and everywhere. Pajamas are kind of trending right now, especially ones with like this thick waistband, which is very cool and in trend. So I got this, and of course it's pink. Again, I will have to wear something underneath this because it's a little bit see-through, but I'm only going to wear it at home, so it doesn't really matter. Next thing, you might hear my friends screaming in the background or the music, but I'll carry on. I'll try to speak louder so you can hear. The next thing I got is this pastel shirt. It's a very nice, cute little pastel shirt. It's all crumbled up because I didn't bother to take it out of the bag. Also, a little fuck up happened. The guy at the counter, like while checking out, he left the magnet tag, the thing that beeps when you try to steal things, in the shirt. He didn't take it out. Now I really do not know what to do. I might have to go back or find like a really strong magnet to get this out. Don't know what it's going to be like. But anyway, this is like cropped and like khuli, so like square boxy kind of a shirt, and I felt like it would go with white bottoms, like white skirt or white jeans or white pants or whatever. I feel like it looked really nice. Even pink and yellow and maybe all of the colors in it. The fit is really good. I tried it on at the store and it looked really nice. And lastly, I have this top. I feel like it's very cute. It's supposed to be like halter neck and then it's backless. It's all backless at the back. There's like strings and ties and all of that. And yeah, so this is the top that I might wear on my birthday. I am not sure yet. I have a lot of other dresses as well, which I will show you guys in a bit. Yes, बुलावा आया है, so हम जाके आते हैं. वैसे भी हमारा हॉल ख़त्म हो ही गया है. It's all done, so I'll just shoot the try on and see you guys later. Bye.